Hello again, friends. In keeping with our yellow ducky theme today, we're going to do some ducky math. But before we do, I'd like you to watch this little video with me.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1,
Only 4.
2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little
Only
ducks
3
came
came
back.
back.
1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1,
What keeps
2.
happening?
2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back.
There's only 1.
1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back.
Oh no. Where did they all go?
Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5
they
little
are.
ducks came back. 5
Oh.
little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back.
Oh, I'm so glad they're together again. Well, I have a question for you. What was happening when the ducks were going away? Were you noticing some subtraction? Yeah, remember Linus the minus, he takes away? Well, we're gonna try some ducky subtraction today, okay? I've got some duck subtraction problems made up, and what you're going to need is a piece of paper. You don't have to write this at the top, but I wrote ducky subtraction because we're going to do some subtraction, some taking away, just like in that video. And then you're going to need something to write with, a pencil. I'm going to use a marker so that you can see what I'm writing. You're also going to maybe want some blocks or something you can use to take away. I just so happen to have a bunch of Easter eggs that are yellow, and I've got this Easter basket that I can put the eggs in as I take them away. So you might want to have a container that you can start out with your eggs or blocks, whatever you're counting with, and then take them away. So let's start out with our very first problem. I've got this ducky subtraction problem. Can you read it out loud? 9 minus 5 equals, and we want to figure out the answer. So on your sheet of paper, I want you to write 9 minus 5 equals, just like mine. 9 minus 5 equals. And you might be able to do this in your head, and that's awesome. But I'm going to use the eggs that I have here. So I'm going to put 9 in my Easter basket. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. We want to start out with 9 because that's the very first number in the problem. 9 minus 5. Well, how many are we taking away? 5. Yeah, so now I want to take 5 out of my basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to find out what's left. I'm looking in my basket. Do you know how many's left? 4, yeah, if you said 4, you are correct. Kiss your brain. Okay, I'm gonna write the number 4, and we have our first problem done. Let's read it together. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Super job. Okay, let's do another Ducky subtraction problem. Let's see, I've got this one. Can you read out loud? 8 minus 3 equals, we don't know. We're gonna find out the answer. Okay, so let's see. I have to take the eggs out of my Easter basket. If you're using blocks or whatever to count with, it could be anything, crayons, anything that you can find around that you can use to count with. We wanna take those out. And what do we wanna start with? What's the very first number in our problem? 8, that's how many we're starting with. So I'm gonna put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 in there. What am I taking away? 3. Yeah, so I'm going to take out 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you know how many eggs I have left in my basket? If you said 5, you are correct. Way to go. So I'm going to write down 8 minus 3 equals 5. Did you write that on your sheet? Fantastic. Okay, let's do a few more together. Okay, how about this one? 7 minus 4. Okay, let's see. I gotta empty out my basket and I wanna start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what am I taking away? Let me hold up that problem again. 7 minus 4. Yeah, so I want to take out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess how many? 3. Yeah, awesome. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Don't forget to write that on your recording sheet. Okay, I have another one here. Let's see, how about this one? 6 minus 0 equals. You might be able to do this one in your head. I'm going to use my eggs. We're starting out with 6, right? So I'm going to put 6 eggs in my basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if I'm taking 0 away, that means I'm taking none away. Well, if I have 6 and I take none away, how many do I still have left? 6, yeah, I still have all 6 eggs. So 6 minus 0 is 6. In fact, any number, if you take away 0, if you take away nothing, you're still gonna have the same amount. Awesome. Let's try one more together. Okay, here's my last duck. 10 minus 3. I'm gonna write that problem down so I don't forget. 10 minus 3 equals, there it is on my sheet. Now I've got to figure it out. Okay, well let's see. I had 6 eggs in my basket last time, and I need to start with 10. If I have 6, 6 plus how many equals 10? 4, yeah, I'm just gonna add 4 eggs in here. Okay, so now I've got 10 eggs in my Easter basket, and I want to take away how many? 10 minus 3. Yeah, so I'm going to take out 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You guessed it. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Way to go, friends. Now, some of those problems might have been challenging for you. Some of them might have been easy peasy. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to keep practicing your subtraction. Maybe ask mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's taking care of you to make up some more difficult problems. Maybe you can do some teen subtraction. You can start with the numbers in the teens like 12, 13, 14, 15. Maybe you even want to start with numbers in the 20s, 21, 22, 23. I want you to challenge yourself with some subtraction today. Okay, see you later, friends.